fans and muscle car fans in general, check this one out. It is a beauty. 1968 Dodge Charger RT, two-door sports hardtop, numbers matching, 440 underneath the hood, manual, 4-speed transmission, numbers matching. This car was actually restored by a gentleman in our area, very well known for his quality of work and his work on Mopar products. Give you an example. Take a look at the alignment between that fender and hood. Slip around to this side. Take a look up and down that. He is a perfectionist, and it shows in his restorations. Take a look at this chrome grill. Yes, this car looks as good in person as it does the videos and the pictures. Now, as far as pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Decoding this vehicle, drip rail moldings. That's how it was ordered. Wheel lip moldings, 26-inch radiator. You can see the fender tag in the still pictures. It was originally obviously a 440 car, 4-speed manual. That's why its numbers matching yet. Light blue metallic, blue interior, and yes, it looks as good inside as it does on the outside. And wait till we fire this up. Check out the engine bay. Absolutely immaculate. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You get an idea how straight that car is and how that paint is put on there. Take a look at the gaps between the rear quarters and the doors, just all the way around this car. Body panel spacing, unbelievable. Chrome in the rear. Obviously dual exhaust. You'll be able to see the underside pics of this car too. uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. There's receipts again for restoration work done at his body shop. I'm sure if you had any questions about this car, we can find out the answer you would want from him. Again, well-renowned Mopar restorer here in our area. Has owned his own body shop for many years, and as you can see on this car, it shows. Look at how straight those panels are. Look at that paint looks. Let's move on to the interior. And again, over 100 pictures of this car online. I think you can imagine what it's going to look like on the inside after seeing the exterior. And there is absolutely no wear on these seats. Headliner. All right, let's go ahead and fire it up and check out that engine bay. I want you to hear it run. Obviously, clock working. Take a look over here, see the fuel gauge coming up. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect the temperature gauge to move. Oil pressure and alternator gauge. Everything good there. Of course, look at your dash. Again, perfect shape. That door closes. That is pause this a second. I want to get this hood open, check out that engine bay. We'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Look at the underside of that hood. Again, spotless underneath here. Just look at how the paint, engine bay, engine, attention to detail. There's fender tags. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. By request, this is being stored on our indoor showroom floor, so it will not be going out for a driving video, FYI, but you can imagine by looking at this car how it drives, how it runs out. Beautiful 1968 Dodge Charger RT, two-door hardtop, numbers matching, freshly restored, and absolutely beautiful. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.